What is up, guys? Welcome back to another OutDoorLogic video. It has been a while since we posted. This is going to be our first fishing video of the year. I don't think we posted a fishing video since maybe whenever I caught that big bass. But I'm probably going with one of my friends who's been in a couple other videos. He was in that one where I think it's called hooking on giant fish, something like that. If you want to watch that video, press up in the top right corner. Anyway, guys, it's a bit windy out, and it's overcast, as y'all can probably tell. But anyway, guys, that should be it, and I'll catch you at the pond. Alright, guys, so we are at the pond. Me and Austin just chilling. I actually did catch a fish. I didn't have the GoPro on, but, you know, absolute tank. So anyway, guys, let's keep fishing. Alright, boys, Austin just caught this monster right here.
Absolute tank, son.
We've been fishing for what, 20 minutes?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good hook set right there.
Alright, toss him back in.
Jeff died. Go have fun, old son.
Done. Alright, guys, after Austin just caught that fish, I was done not catching fish. So I decided to put that on this rod. Oh, yeah, I'm on for a solid second or two. Come on, try it again. I basically just changed it up, but got it brighter. Oh, there we go. That color change made that difference. Look at that. Alright, guys, there he is. So I guess it's the brighter color. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, there's one, and my drag is super. I forgot to tighten up my drag, so I couldn't reel it in. Goodness, finally. There he is. One's bigger. That was a bass. I need to tighten up my drag too. Dude, they're on it right now. Gosh, guys, I just really need to tighten up my drag. Oh yeah. As soon as I hit the water. Hey, look at this bass I just caught. It looks real nice. I had my drag still kind of loose whenever I was fixing my line, but I got him anyway, so go ahead and toss him back in. Let's keep fishing.
Oh, it's cold. They just blowing around in the wind. Dude. Oh my gosh. Hey, let's cut my finger off. Stop. Stop.
Alright guys, so it is freezing cold. The wind is super bad. And yeah, that's why we're leaving. But we did get some fish, and we had a pretty good time, I guess. If it wasn't so windy, we'd probably stay out here for another bit. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Have a blessed day. Keep going #1. See y'all next time.